Hi friends, as promised, the room tour of the room on the first floor where we are currently staying. This is the room, quite spacious, very minimalistic, only a bed and a couple of chairs. Then you have a AC, fan, and this is the view from the other end of the room. And here you have the washrooms, or I should say the washroom, which is huge, clean, and well maintained. The best part is they provide individual wireless routers to each of the rooms wherein you get good data connectivity. And here you have a wash basin, and if you just turn around, this is the view of the room from the other end.